Okay, so YouTube, this is my first review video I've ever done. I just want to talk about this little Ryobi right here. It's what is it, 18 volt, 1 plus, cheapest chainsaw at Home Depot. You can see this pine tree. It's probably about, I don't know, 80 feet tall. That's what's left of it. I used this slider, put it on the roof, got up top of it, chopped it, tied a rope around the top, and then tied the rest of the rope around the bottom of my cut. And then I use this rope here with this Husky Velcro strap. So I put this way above the cut. Now I come down here and pull on it, and then it break it, and then the branch would fall, but it wouldn't fall on top of my garage because it was tied off under the cut. I did that about 6-7 times to bring this whole tree down. But the thing I'm most impressed with is this goddamn little electric chainsaw. I mean, this thing worked perfectly. And look at it, I've cut all these pieces. Now, I have 2 batteries. I have a weed whip with the same battery. But, I mean, here's the logs here where I've been cutting them. I mean, it's cutting through them. It's cutting through them. No, it doesn't stop. It doesn't slow down. No, it's not fast. But it maintains speed. And, I mean, doing this versus doing it by hand, and it's electric. So, I'm not maintaining it all the time. That's fucking awesome, man. Excuse my language, but Ryobi, yeah. I think it was 129 bucks or something like that. And it'll cost me, I don't know, a couple thousand. Power lines right there. Backyard, garage, fence, all that. I mean, it'll cost me some money to take down that pine tree, so think about that, man. How much is it gonna cost you to take down a pine tree versus buying a cheap ass battery? And this was light on. The reason I picked it, it was lightweight. It was easy to carry up the ladder, knock down 10 feet at a time. Yeah, I'm not trying to take business away from the contractors, but at the same time, people don't have the money to do this type of shit. And there's my rope. I bought that Home Depot. It's about 3/4 inch rope. Sorry. This is what I use to tie a tree, and then this is a anchor rope for my boat. But I used it, and this is the Husky Velcro strap. This is what I put around the tree above the cut. And then I just use this rope. I pull on it, it snap, and it come down. It only falls so far because I tie it the top of the cut. I tie that up to the same rope as the bottom of the cut, and it would just fall down as far as I want it to, not hit the roof. So it worked out perfect, man. But now, probably gotta get a gas. I'm gonna have to borrow my dad's chainsaw gas to get the rest of this. Now, I could do it with the electric, I'm sure, to handle it, but you know, how much time do I want to spend on it? But for that, it was perfect, man. That'll cost me, I don't know, $2,000, $3,000 to take that down with all that shit in the way. And that was 129, and I did buy this ladder for it too. That was about 250 bucks. But say I had the ladder already, 129 bucks, take down tree. I mean, fuck, and some rope, 200 bucks. Consider rope and that strap. Okay, YouTube. Yeah, so if you want to take down tree, tie it about 5 feet above the cut. Cut it. Make sure that the rope, length of the rope between the cut, or where you tie it and the cut, doesn't hit your roof, because if you do, you're gonna fuck your roof up. But yeah, save a lot of money. All right, love it. See ya. Bye.